Hi guys, welcome to the part 3 of website design and development using WordPress. Alright, so if you have not been following, please check the page. You can check Fine Touch Media on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, or just check around the page to see the part 1 and the part 2, so that you'll not be left behind. This is the part 3 of website design and development. All right, if you've been following, you realize that I've done introduction to website. I've talked about different platforms developing websites. We are just using this particular one. All right, now which is WordPress. There are many different types of ways of developing website. All right, so pardon the noise, children are just playing around, but I have to do this video. So now this is the back end. All right, like I've said in our previous class, you have to open the back end and the front end of your website, so that when you design your website, you will look at the front end, take a view at the front end to see what it looks like. All right, so this is the back end now. So for us to see the front end, you have to click here. Pardon, not there. You have to click here. You have to click here. So when you click there, you will see this option that says visit site. And I've said that you don't click on it. Don't just click on it. Click hold, it will give you this option. All right, this option, now you pick the option that says open in new tab. All right, so when you do that, it's going to open in another tab. So you see I have 9 tabs here now. Your own might not be 9, your own might be 2. It's because I have many other tabs. All right, so if you click there, you're going to see, we're going to click here, and this is the front end of the website. This is the front end where everybody sees. Or if you need developing your website and give people your website link, an address, which is your domain name, they are going to see these. All right, so this is our website. Now let's go back to the back end. This is the back end. So here now, what we want to do today is, first thing we want to do is that we want to change the name. So that when people visit, they will see welcome to this so kind of, welcome to blah blah blah, Emeka Furniture, Yetunde Beauty Salon, whatever you are into. Okay, so to do that, we'll click here, this multiple lines here. We're going to click there. So if you click there now, you're going to see this option that says appearance. You see that option that says appearance, so you click on it, and we are clicking on this option that says customize. We're clicking on the option that says customize, so you click on customize. You wait for it to load. Depending, it will load based, the speed of the load depends on your network. So I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to pause it. Okay, it has opened. Network is fast. So we're going to the option, this option that says okay, we're going to this option that says site identity. So just clicking. If you click here, it's going to load and bring us to this place. So here now, if you check, you realize that there's a logo here that says dental clinic. If you've been following from the first parts, the part 1 and 2, you will notice, you must have been taught, you must have learned that we installed a theme, and that theme comes with a default write-up and logo, which we don't need. We just want to modify it and edit it to our own content. So we are going to be changing that. So what we are going to do now, we're going to click remove. We're going to click this place that says remove. You have another option, or you click this option that says change logo. So that means you must have gotten a logo. The logo should be in your phone, mobile device. It should be in your mobile device, the logo you intend to use. I don't have any logo specifically, but I'll just pick any logo I want. So we're going to click here that says change logo. So I'm going to be clicking on it because that logo there is not mine, it's not ours, so we want to change it. So after clicking there, it brings us here. Then we're going to click this place that says select files. So tap on it. It's going to take us to our mobile phone. I don't know the make of your phone, but for me, I'm just going to my gallery to look for an image, a logo. Excuse me. So like I said, I don't have any specific logo I want to use, but let me use let me scroll and see if I can see our company's logo. Okay, I have one logo here that is my name, so I'm just going to tap on it. Okay, so you can see that it's loading already. Okay, that's the logo. Then I'll now click this option that says select. So I'll click select and it's loading. Excuse me. All right, so now you arrange the logo, you drag it to the most important area of your logo, then you click on this option that says crop image. So that's what we are clicking on, crop image. So your logo should not be too big. All right, I'm just using that as a case study. You can use any logo of your choice, but make sure it's not too big. You can see that our logo has been uploaded. It has replaced the default logo that came with the theme. So here now you can adjust the logo, make it big or small depending on how you want it. All right, so when you're done, you scroll up. All right, you just scroll up to this point. I think I'm done here. I don't you can change any other thing here. You can come here and put your site title. All right, let me just click there and call it let me change it to class. You can put anything you want there. I just want to put class there. All right, then I'm done from here. I'm done here. You can make any other edit and modification based on your discretion. All right, and your choice. Play around with it. So but I'm done. So I'll just come to this place that says publish. So I'll click publish. All right, I'll click publish. I'll wait for it to load. Now it has been published. So what I want to do now, I want to go to the front end to see the update, what it looks like. So I'm going to click my tabs. I'm going to go to my tabs. This is where my front end is. So I'm going to refresh. I'm going to drag it down. So I will refresh. Let me see if what I did has been updated or not. All right, you can see now that the logo has been updated. All right, we are building the site gradually. See that the logo now has been updated. Okay, so I'll be going back to the back end. Let me see how many minutes I've done this record. 10 minutes. All right, so let's go back to the back end. Then we want to now close this. Want to click that place since you've published, so it will take you back, so we can do more things, can do other things. All right, so I don't want this video to be too long. Let me click here and see what else we can do. Let me click here. Let me see what else we can do. All right, so another thing we want to do now is I will cut this video here because I don't want it to be too long. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, fine. Let me see if I can make it 15 minutes. So what I want to do now is menu. Menu is another very important thing that you want to consider in your website design. What is a menu? Now, a menu is the navigation you have on your website. Let me go to the front end and show you what menu is. So if you want to see what your menu is, you click here, these multiple lines there, you click, you see a drop down. You see we have home, we have about, we have services, reviews. These things are even double. All right, so that is your menu. All these are your menu. All right, this is your menu. All these are your menu. All right, navigation within the site where people can click and know about your business, your company, so on and so forth. So we want to work on that menu. Where you locate the menu is very simple. All right, now where do we locate the menu? Let's go back to our back end. I'm sure you know how to go to back end and switch between back end and front end now. All right, so I'm going to click here, click, then where I locate my menu is under appearance. So I'll click appearance, and then you're going to see menu over there. You can see menu, right? All right, so if we click menu, you wait for it to load, and then here we have our menu. You can see the menu. All right, so if you notice, realize that we have various duplication of menu. We don't want all that. We just want to have, so we're going to remove all the duplication. We're going to remove it. So for example, this one is not needed. We'll take off this, we'll take this off, we'll take this off, this off, and this off. So how do we do that? Very simple. You move your cursor and click here. Click the arrow dropping down. So we're going to click there. I'm going to click the arrow that drop down. It's not dropping down. Okay, so let me just I don't know why that is not dropping down. All right, that's dropped down. So I'm now click this part that says remove. All right, click it, remove. It has been removed. So I'll do that for services as well. So it's applicable to services. I think we have one services. It's because I'm recording, so it's not so I'll click drop down for about it drop down for about, can we have multi about? Okay guys, let me pause this video and do it quickly. All right, so guys, I have been able to remove it just like the way I removed the first one. Is applicable. That's how you remove all the menus you do not want. Okay, I just don't want to waste time. So now that you have removed it and then you've arranged it the way you want, now you might want to reposition your menu. All right, for example, you want about to come after service. You can see now that after home, the next is about, we have service, and we have contact. This is the way I like my menu arranged. You can switch it up if you like. So for instance, if I want about to come down services, after services, all I need to do is to click on this service, click and hold, then I'll push it up. Now you see that services has gone up. So that is how you can manipulate it. In case you want to switch position, menu position, you can just do that. Very simple. So if you are done with that, just what you need to do is just to come to this place and say click on save. So we're going to click there and click save. So you wait for it to load. All right, so that is done. You see the notification that says main menu has been updated. So the next thing, you want to go to the front end and take a look to see if the menu is actually updated or not. So you refresh your page. All right, so we'll click these multiple dots again to see if our menu is updated or not. All right guys, as you can see, the menu has been updated. See, we have home. After home we have services. After service we have about, and then we have contact us. All right, so this is how to work on your menu. So I'm going to be stopping this class now and continue the class in the part 4. So I hope that you understand. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section, or you can send me a DM. And don't forget to subscribe if you are watching on YouTube. If you are on Facebook, don't forget to like and share. Drop any difficulty or question you have in the comment section. I'm always online and ever active to respond to any question and any difficulty. All right, don't forget to subscribe once again, like, share, and follow this account for update. Thank you very much and have a pleasant good night, good morning, or good afternoon whenever you're watching this from. Thank you. I remain your coach, the financial apostle.